Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add dotted row border in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add the dotted row border. At first, select your row on your sheet. Click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu. Click the borders drop down menu. We can see here many border. Now I am select the more border option. Then go to the border section and select the dotted border. We can see here many border like dot, dash, etc. Now I am select the dot. Now you can enable this vertical border. Then click OK. Now we can see we added the dotted border in Excel sheet easily. You want to make sure the border is added. Go to the file menu and select the print option and check the preview. We can see here show the border to row easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.